Hey guys, I wanted to make a little video so that my email might be a little more clear to you. So once you're in Aware, this looks exactly like it's always looked. You will choose Create a New Test. And at this point, this is where you will determine whether you're going to copy an existing test or if you're going to create a new blank test. Um, Let me know if you have any trouble with any of that. But I want to talk about some of the beta features. So I started a test today so that I could find out exactly how it works and share some of that information with you. And what I did was I copied an existing test from ELA 6th grade that we actually did use last year. Now, this is the part that's going to look different. When you have your test loaded or when you've created your test, you'll have to do that using this new beta version. So what you're seeing here is some information about that assessment. You'll see what standards are covered and how many questions for each standard are on your test. As you scroll down, you will get to the performance indicators that we talked about. So satisfactory is always 70 in our district. Advanced is always 90. The district defined A, B, and C follow the STAR approaches, meets, and masters standards. So these actually are the correct values for 6th grade ELA based on 2019 results. Over here is where you'll actually see the test and the test questions. I want to talk to you about an email that Sarah Barker sent out to you about adding audio to your test. This is actually a really great way to do it. I've added audio to questions 1, 2, and 3. So I want to go through the process on number 4, just to show you how quick and easy it is. You'll edit the question. I'm going to set my cursor I'm going to edit the question. And when I edit the question, I want to add, it looks like an image. It looks like you're inserting a picture, but you choose Insert File. And then you will find the file that you want to insert. I used Audacity to record my own voice reading question number 4. And so I saved it under music. So I find that file and I insert it. And I'm going to choose Insert File. And it takes it just a very brief second. And at this point, I want to make this question look a little better. So I'm going to. So that the formatting's right. Okay, that's better. And that's how easy it is to insert oral into your testing. And that way we don't have to rely on the read write piece. And the student simply hits play when they want one specific question read to them.
Number 4. Which statement expresses a main theme of the play? F. Writing can be a helpful way to deal with stress. G. Keeping secrets can lead to problems in a relationship.
Okay, I just wanted to kind of let you see how that works. And I like it because they can just focus on one question at a time. They don't have to worry about highlighting their text. Once you do, if you are inserting media of any kind, you'll always click Save, and it won't allow you to go to another question unless you hit Save. Okay, if you want to know how that's going to look when it prints out, you'll go to Layout right here at the top of the screen, and it will allow you to see your page breaks. So that's kind of helpful. If you want to change the way it looks, you can make it more advanced and it'll put more questions or less questions on a page. Okay, the test key is just that. What are the correct answers? What TEKS are we covering? Administration. Now, when you get to administration, this is where we will normally choose selected teachers for printing. And once we've done select teachers for printing, we will choose any teachers who have students in that content area. So since we happen to be looking at 6th grade reading, all the 6th grade reading teachers are chosen. And that's going to allow all of those guys to print their unanswered documents. There's nothing else on this page that needs to be checked or worried about. But we do need to go up here now. We have a second tab called Collection. This is very important because under collection, you will be able to set the available dates of the test. And this is where you would be able to turn online testing on. And you're going to have to do that in order for the students to access the test, in order for them to take it orally on the computer. So that has to be checked. Also, this is where you will go to print your answer documents. So you can choose to print answer documents here, and it's not going to let me do that until I change the status of this test to active. So if you're ever having trouble printing, I don't know if you noticed, but it did say print sample, and now it says print answer document. If we choose to print answer document, it's going to create a PDF file for us, and then you print the PDF file. I think that about covers it. If you have any questions or need any assistance, let me know. There are specific instructions on adding that voice feature that Sarah Barker sent out. I'll be happy to help you with that in any way that I can.